Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can like houses now in Heartopia because the UI is a little bit different since the update. As you can see, it looks like this now. It says Home Likes 91. You're going to press on it, and you're actually going to select an emote. If you want to just like it, you can just press this, or you can add other emotes as you can see here, and it's going to be added. So I am going to select I don't know if I can select two. I don't think I can after the fact that I liked it. So I am going to just select an emote here. Let's do this one. And then I'm just going to press confirm. Oh, you can still like it if you want. So yeah, that is it. You can like send an emote to the house. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.